singles action is underway, and in this one, I wouldn't attempt to predict what's going to happen. I'd just be ready for anything. Sometimes that's all you can do.
Stardust, no problem getting out of that one.
And into the cover.
No, Stardust can be described as one of the most peculiar individuals we've ever seen in a WWE ring. Considering the more than 52-year history of this company, that's really saying something.
As we watch Stardust, let's get your take on him.
You're talking about someone who has all the talent necessary to become one of the all-time greats.
And now it is show-off time.
Don't waste time gloating here. This could be big. Oh, out of nowhere. Inside the ring again.
Yeah, and they should be. This is where the action needs to be.
The quick reversal there by Stardust. He wants this battle decided inside the ring.
And that's why he's such a great athlete, such an important superstar. King, we all know the anomaly regarding the conception and progression of Stardust. It's completely devoured social media. Regardless of the hashtag used, we all descend deeper into this individual's outlandish world.
There are so many words to describe Stardust. Since WWE programming has a start and end time, I like to keep it simple and just say he is super galactic.
We're in the feeling out process. Who's going to get the advantage and maintain control?
Your guess is as good as mine, Cole.
Well, that missed him all right.
Hey, did you look before firing? What an idiot. For the first time tonight, Stardust getting ready to go high risk. He takes to the air.
Wow. That'll leave you dizzy in a hurry. King, I think it's safe to say that Cody Rhodes has lost his mind. Have you ever come across anybody as odd as Stardust?
Yeah, of all the things he's ever lost, he misses his mind the most. I don't think, Cole, that I have ever seen anybody like Cody Rhodes. And of all the time we thought Goldust was the bizarre one, well, I guess it just runs in the family. That was an impressive suplex.
You can practically feel the wear and tear that's been done throughout this match. Oh, and he missed that one. God, that's gotta hurt.
Yeah, you're not doing any damage with swings like that, but keep doing it. The breeze may give him a cold.
Nicely executed. Both of these competitors have so much resolve, it's going to take a minor miracle to keep one of them down.
Oh, wait, nice reversal.
You can't put a price tag on landing that perfect strike, and that nailed him.
It's going to take a lot to change the tide of this one.
We're looking at complete domination here. These superstars looking for a victory, looking to build momentum.
You're right about that. Momentum is so important in a match like this.
I think we know what this is. There's no coming back from that.
Oh, his body has to be broken right now. Oh, out of nowhere.
Quick thinking to avoid that. Not today, too fast. Not every move is designed to get the fans off their feet.
Oh, that's devastating.
What an assault. This type of attack takes things to a completely different level and leaves your opponent agonizing to breathe.
Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet. Nicely done there. Boy, he just got laid out.
How's that for ferocious? It's like someone hit the repeat button for this move.
Yeah.
Brutal.
Second time around. Seems to work, though.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Ouch.
Seems like these guys are letting out a lot of pent-up frustration tonight. Uh-oh, there's the elbow drop.
The elbow drop has hit again.
He's setting it up. We know what's coming here. He's delivering it, and he makes it to the ropes.
Oh, what a shot. That did some serious damage. You can't take too many of those and expect to be in the match much longer.
You have to wonder what's going through these guys' minds.
Hey, the shoulders are down.
You know, you have to wonder.
What a win. Man, he's got to feel great.